Hey guys, Aki here from Perform and Transform. Today we're going to talk about food variety in your diet. Now, we encourage everyone to eat as much variety as possible every single day. Variety is more about balance and keeping things interesting. Okay, we're very fortunate here in Canada that we're able to have such a wide variety of food even during winter. Now, variety is not really an exact science. The best thing to do is to target all the major food groups and pick and choose out of them. So for instance, let's say I'm planning my food for the week. I'm planning my snacks, and let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I'm going to eat my little snack pack is going to be cucumbers and carrots. Maybe Thursday to Saturday I'm going to try something different. It could be, let's say, cherry tomatoes and broccoli. So you see, it's that easy to pick from the same vegetable group. Picking different choices, different items to make things more interesting and make sure that I get as much nutrient as possible from different sources of food. Okay, now you can, just like that, you can switch the different options within the same group. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, let's say my proteins are going to be chicken breast, it's going to be eggs, tuna. Maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday I can have salmon, I can have pork chops, I can have tofu, maybe try a non-meat protein. So it's that easy. You just need to plan out your food and make choices, different choices every time. So now there's this idea that for many people, at least, being healthy, being on a diet means you gotta eat the same thing every day. It's going to be chicken, broccoli, brown rice, and nothing could be further from the truth. It is easy to make better choices and have variety in your diet. And research actually shows that if you're able to maintain variety, you lose weight a lot faster. So it is important to have variety because, like I said, it keeps things more interesting. It keeps you from getting bored. Food is meant to be enjoyed. It shouldn't really be stressful. It's important to know that each food item has their own nutrient profile. So certain food will be really high with certain vitamin, nutrient, mineral sources and whatnot, where others will be lower in the same things. So having variety makes sure that you're getting the right portions of everything from different sources. Okay, now not eating the same food every day also protects us from having or getting an excess of the same nutrients. Okay, what I highly recommend is that you guys also try various cooking methods. As much as possible, fruits and veggies, try to consume them raw. But for the food that you usually cook, maybe try steaming for a week, maybe try baking the other week, or even grilling your food. So just for the same food group, simply changing the cooking methods could totally change the game, right? Now, something else that's important is eating food promotes your gut health. Now you already know that in your intestines you have different types of microorganisms and bacteria living there, and these form a very important role. They play a very important role in your digestion and your immune response. Now each of them depend on different sources of food and nutrients. When you don't consume enough variety, you most likely many of these organisms will starve and die, and you won't be able to. You're gonna have problems with your digestion if many of them just perish. Okay. Now, a few tips to add variety to your food is try your best to not eat the same thing more than 3 days in a row. Okay. Mix up your vegetable. Choose colors, seasonal, local options during summer at least, and during winter just take advantage of all the frozen things. I mean, you're gonna get all the same benefits from eating the frozen veggies, frozen vegetables, and just keep on adding variety this way. You can pretty much get anything frozen nowadays. I've even seen avocado in the store. So there you go. Try a bunch of maybe dried fruits as well, adding variety a little bit. There's also new recipes that you guys can try out. So for instance, if you guys like adding spinach to your salads, maybe next week try adding or making a spinach soup for a change, right? Again, changing the cooking methods of how you eat the same item could also be a game changer. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.